Hello everybody, Clayton Saliba and Amir Abrams with Duality back with another update. Today we're going to show you our dynamic controller wallet, tell you a little bit about BDAP and how to create a BDAP user and a link, and to show you the pShare application that we've built on top of the dynamic wallet. pShare is essentially a real nice UI that does all these manual stuff that we're about to show you by itself. So Amir, can you give us just like a brief overview of BDAP, what it does, how it interacts with the blockchain, and then show us how to create a user?
Sure. So BDAP allows you to create users and links on the blockchain. The links are private between users and are used to later set up connections and other communications with two different accounts. It's a specialized transaction on the blockchain, and it's public, so everybody can see the user accounts. But the links are public transactions, but they're private. They're hidden. You don't know who is linking to who using stealth addresses. So I'm going to add a user using the Qt wallet. Call it the Zoom, and just registered for 2 months. It's going to tell me how much it cost, and all the fees and deposits.
And these fees are burned once they're used?
The monthly are burnt, and the deposit is trapped and only can be used by this BDAP account to update or delete itself.
Okay.
So here I created the transaction and broadcasted on the blockchain network. Here's the account wallet address. This is the hash table address. This is the private link address. The transaction ID. And I gotta wait for it. Well, it already cleared, so we got a block. And then here on pShare, whoops. I don't have a link yet to Zoom, but I'm gonna create a link. You can see here, I received it with this wallet address here. It's nothing to do with the BDAP wallet address, since it used the stealth. So no one really knows that this is a link transaction came to me.
And so like in the healthcare industry, this could be two different hospital systems or two different hospitals creating links with each other, verifying their identity, and then we can set up these secure ad hoc connections to share data because the blockchain has enabled the trust between those two accounts.
Exactly. Yep. So here I can, I can accept the link. It's right now pending. I can accept it. Tell me how much it costs, and now I have a completed list link.
So just pause real quick because you went through that kind of quick. So the link you accepted costed you a certain amount of dynamic to accept the link, and so you as the requester had to pay for that link. Is that right?
Yep, and I was the acceptor in Qt Wallet, but the link,
That's right.
the requester had to pay, and the acceptor has to pay as well to accept.
That's right. Okay. Okay.
So now here I have a completed link that I can use in the web bridge or pShare to start sharing files. I'd have to hop onto another computer to use pShare, and I can't use pShare on the same computer. You only run it once, but.
And so, for example, I have pShare on my system, and so essentially, again, talking about the hospitals, each hospital system would set up their pShare, their web bridge account. Earlier we showed a video on the web bridge, and which is the enterprise version of pShare. And essentially, the hospitals don't even know they're using the blockchain. They're not going to have to mess with this controller wallet and all the complications that are in that. They're just going to have this nice application and all of these transactions and linking, and even the fees are all done on the background, and just to create a real easy way to use blockchain and the technology behind it.